In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment to an event in Google Calendar. This simple yet handy feature can enhance your event planning by ensuring that all necessary documents are easily accessible to your attendees. Whether it's a meeting agenda, a presentation, or any other file you need to share, attaching it directly to your calendar event keeps everything organized and in one place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you get started. First, navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com or by opening the Google Calendar app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you're there, you'll see your calendar with all of your scheduled events displayed. The next step is to either create a new event or edit an existing one, depending on your needs. Click on the specific date and time in the calendar to create a new event, or simply open an event you have already set up. If you are creating a new event, click on the More Options button to expand the event details. This gives you access to all the settings and features that Google Calendar offers for your event, including the ability to add an attachment. By expanding to the full event view, you can include more detailed information such as setting reminders, adding location details, and inviting guests. Next, scroll down to the description box at the bottom of the event details page. This box is where you can add extra notes about the event, or perhaps an agenda for what will be discussed. To the right of the description box, you will notice a small icon that looks like a Google Drive logo. Click on this Add a Google Drive Attachment icon. This is the key feature that allows you to attach files stored in your Google Drive directly to your event. After clicking the Drive icon, a new window will open showing the contents of your Google Drive. Now you need to select the file you wish to attach. You can either browse through your Drive or use the search function to find the specific document you need. Once you have located your file, click on it to select it. Now that you have selected your file, click the Insert button. This action adds the document as an attachment to your event, making it accessible to anyone who has a link to the calendar event. It's a simple step but highly effective in ensuring that everyone has access to important documents in preparation for the event. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply all the changes to your event. Saving your changes ensures that the attachment is securely added and that all invitees can access the file. And that's it. Now you know how to add attachments to Google Calendar events, keeping your files and events conveniently connected. Stay organized and make sure everyone involved is on the same page with all the necessary documents right at their fingertips. Happy planning!